Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm making a vlog at the bridge. And if you saw the earlier vlog, I made a vlog with Roy and Toa. No, Roy wasn't there, so there was only Toa. But I'm gonna record the VSET anyways. Okay. And there goes Jiho. And guys, there's a VSET passing. I'll zoom in the camera. V45 is the set. It also has DKM cars. Oh man, I didn't read the numbers on time. I didn't read it on time. Anyway guys, I'll see you at the bridge. Guys? Never mind. I better get to the bridge before he never does. Here comes a train. It's a K set. K82. The Rehaf is K66 and a B set and a V20, 4 cars, and a B set. It's going to City Circle. Set is B18. Yeah, my dad. I know. And guys, there's an A set. Wow! Holy moly! Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy moly! Oh my god! And guys, there's a B set. Careful! Holy moly! Oh my god!
I'll hold the camera.
It's fine. Holy moly! Oh my god! And B14 going to Leppington. And guys, there's an A set going to EBU Plains. A8. That was crazy! Well guys, that'll be it for this video, but today could you believe an ace at honking at us? If you like that, then get this video to 2K. I mean, how many views? Wait, how many likes? Wait, if this video gets to 200 views in February next year, then I will do a horn completion of the trains. So I'll see you next